Hi, Johnson's class.
Hi.
3.1 integers and number lines. Can you guys use a number line to compare numbers, add numbers, and subtract numbers?
Yes.
All right, here we go. An integer is a whole number and what?
It's opposite.
Can an integer be a decimal?
Yes. No.
Is a decimal a whole number?
No.
So can a decimal be an integer?
No.
No. Can a fraction be an integer?
No.
No, it's got to be a whole number, not a fraction or a decimal. Okay. Positive numbers. What side of a number line are positive numbers? What side of a number line are negative numbers?
Left side.
Inequalities. Do you guys remember how to tell the difference between less than and greater than?
Yes.
What can you do with the less than sign?
Make it into an L.
Like that?
Yes.
Okay, so you can make it into an L. That means less than. Okay, cool. A, B, and C here. We had to figure out what each of those, or how to write each of those numbers, right?
Yes.
Why did we highlight gain, loss, and above? What?
Because they're the key words.
They're the key words. They tell us if it's going to be positive or
Negative.
positive or negative. Do positive numbers necessarily have to have a plus in front of them?
No.
So does plus 20 mean the same as 20?
Yes.
Number line, when you go this way, numbers are getting,
Positive.
no, they're getting,
Bigger.
when you go this way, numbers are getting.
Smaller.
If I just showed you this number line right here, this is the only thing I showed you was the number line, and I said, what is this number line telling us? What would you say? No, it's telling us where. Okay, again, if we looked at just the number line, don't look at anything else except for what I'm circling, what would it be telling us? Where negative 2 is, right? Can you, when you're making number lines, can you skip count?
Yes.
Can you actually, could you guys tell me what number this is right there?
4.
Because it's halfway between 0 and 8, right?
Yes.
Can you use a number line to add or subtract?
Yes.
So 3 plus 2 is 5, yeah?
Yes.
So if this is 3, how did I get to 5? What did I do?
2
So the 2 bunny hops got us to 5?
Yes.
And when we add, we go which direction on a number line? Right? And when we subtract, it looks like we are going backwards or left, right?
Yeah.
We always start with our first number. So the 9, we put a little dot there, yes?
Yes.
And then whatever we're doing to the 9 is next, yes?
Yes.
Inequalities, we talked about these again, yes? So here they are in play. So what does this say? On the count of 3, tell me what this says. 1, 2, 3.
1 is less than 3.
What does this one say?
11.
Ah, freeze. Try again. On the count of 3, on the count of 3, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Negative 11 is less than negative 2.
The bigger number is always going to be where on the number line?
The right side.
It's going to be on the right side of the number line, right? Or it's going to be more right. It's not necessarily going to be on the right side. It's going to be more to the right, right?
Yes.
So you could have like negative 100 and negative 99. Which one's closer to the right?
Negative 99.
We cool?